Hello, so today I have this iPhone 6 here, and I'm gonna cover the things. It's one of my friend's phones, and what the hell is their background? That, that's odd. I've never seen anything quite like that. Huh. Well, it's their phone, and I'm gonna replace the display on it. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is take out the two screws at the bottom. And for once, I have all the tools that I need right here. You know, it's pretty great. Okay, so remove that screw. Nope. Thing slipped. Okay, let's remove that screw. Alright. Now let's lift the display. And the reason that I'm not shutting it off first is because the digitizer is completely shot. It doesn't work at all. So I'm just going to unplug the battery. Okay. I did that. Now I'm going to... I could steal their battery. That would be hilarious if I gave them like a crappy battery. But that... I'm not going to do that, you see. That would be mean. Oh, this is a replacement display. Like, it has the, some markings on it at the top. So this is not a genuine Apple display. Okay, unplug the battery. Now to unscrew these screws at the top here. Just like that. Okay. And now, because I already have a replacement display that has all the like camera and back plate on, I'm gonna use the parts from this display on another project I'm working on right now. And I actually paused that project because I needed the screws and stuff from this display. Alright, let's unplug that. Is this glued on? No, I thought it was glued on there for a second. That would be hilarious. Alright. Now, I do see one issue that will prevent me from installing a new display. See, what's this? That's a piece of plastic. But it's dented at the top right here. And, well, you see, it's going to be an issue. So, how am I going to fix this? I don't want to mess up the camera, and I don't want to take it out either. Okay, so do I have one of those? I probably have one of those somewhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a wrench or something like that and try to bend this out, and I'll get back to you. Alright, now I did remove the camera, and I tried to bend it out with this, you know, like just grabbing on, going like that, yeah, and it does seem to be working. I have used this method multiple times before. I didn't really have that much success, but this time I did have success. But you see, there is still a gap between the display and the housing of the device, so I'm going to try to bend it out a little bit more, and I'll see what I can do. Alright, so I kind of scratched up the top right here. Yeah, focus, you want to? Doesn't seem to want to focus. Move it farther away, maybe? Hold on, so I'll focus it on this, yes. And then that, yeah, you see I kind of messed up the corner up here, but I'm sure he won't notice. So the gap between the display and the housing is a lot less noticeable now. So this is pretty great. You know, I'm just gonna put that over there for now. Okay, so the display now fits. It's time to transfer over the home button, and then I'll be good. Okay. Alright, I removed the 2 screws. Well, the 4 screws actually. I'm gonna unplug the home button. Take the home button out. Okay, and now I'm going to install the home button onto the new display. Alright. Everything is going just great. Let's get this screw. Screw it in like that. Get the other screw, and then go ahead and screw it in. Okay, and this is the old one, yes, and this is the new one. I am going to reinstall the camera now. Okay. Well, actually, this is kind of weird. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but it's how I do it. So you get this screw. Screw it in. Okay, then you install the camera like that. Nope, doesn't want to go in. That's odd. Camera doesn't want to go in. Okay, I just had to push harder. Okay, and then this comes around, swivels around, and then you install this screw and there you go. Okay. Now my cat wants to be let out. That's pretty great. I should go and do that. Alright, now it's time to install the new display. Just like that, like that, like that, and do up a thing like that. Alright. Plug in the battery, and let's see if it turns on. It turns on just fine. Okay, now someone's number is going to show up on that, so we'll just keep the display facing away. Let's install the display cable bracket. Okay. Screws don't like me. It's just a fact. Okay. The top right one is in. Let's see, did this turn on? Yes, it's asking for a passcode. I don't know their passcode. Like, what the hell kind of background is this? And all the notifications magically disappeared. It's like a pumpkin face. Are those cleats that it's wearing? It's one ugly background, I can tell you that. Okay. Let's get the bottom right screw in now. Just like that. That. That screw liked me. That's great. That, no. Okay. And the last unholy abomination that we call screws. Okay. And the battery bracket, let's install that now. Okay. First screws in. And nope, screwdriver slipped. Okay. Yeah, the notifications are still cleared. Okay. I'm going to install the display now. Okay. Okay. Now these two buttons. No, screws. These two screws right here. The pentalip screws. Alright. Just like that. And the last screw, just like that. Alright. That's just great. Is it actually 10? It's 1024. Would you look at that? Okay, I can't do anything without the passcode. Hold on, it was something like... No, okay, whatever. So, that's just great.